Kinikilig ako sa comment na 'to. I swear this is my favorite compliment in the world. Kasi naman talagang pinagagastusan ko talaga yung amoy ko or perfumes ko. So my favorite scent of all time is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses. This one, sobrang bango naman talaga. Dapat lang kasi 10,000 yata 'to. And it's very straightforward. It's a classical rose na talagang napaka-classy at babaeng-babae. Kita niyo ubos na siya. That's how I love this. Kaya naman sobrang happy ko nung may mahanap akong kaamoy niya na very affordable and very accessible. Actually, first time kong maamoy to from their PR kit. This is actually from Avon. Ito yung kanilang Imari Seduction scent. And I swear, halos pareho nung sa Miss Dior. Mga 85% yung pagkakapareho nila. Kasi nga, this one is very straightforward. Rose kung rose talaga siya. Pero itong si Imari Seduction, meron pa siyang different layers that makes the scent even more interesting. When you first spray it, sure, nandyan yung rose, pero at the same time, meron siyang kaunting citrus, like parang orange, at saka patchouli. But my favorite part is when it dies down, it actually dies down with a vanilla and powdery scent. Yes, classy din naman, pero youthful pa rin. Actually, para siyang little sister nitong Miss Dior. Pareho silang naaamoy ko kahit pag-uwi ko from my gimmick or from whatever I did within the day. Actually, kahit yung mga damit ko sa labahan, ang bango pa rin because of this one.